Today, we're looking at a surprisingly simple solution to a really complex problem in dementia care.
Sounds a bit wild, right? But one nursing home stumbled upon an answer in the middle of the night.
So, at the Parker Jewish Institute in New York, staff had this nightly challenge: wandering patients.
This constant wandering led to a serious risk of falls and injuries for these vulnerable residents.
Now, staff really wanted to avoid using drugs, which could just make things worse. So what could they do?
Then, one night, a nursing assistant accidentally found an answer that changed, well, everything for the unit.
See, this one patient had a routine. He thought he was getting ready to go to his old job.
But instead of just redirecting him, a nurse tried something new. She actually went along with his story.
Her thinking? If he's going to work, he's got to have something to eat first, right?
And you know what? It worked. Instantly. He ate, calmed down, and went right back to sleep.
This one little moment of insight, it quickly grew into a formal, unit-wide program.
The RN manager, Ora Gordon, really championed the idea, getting the home to provide snacks for wanderers.
The menu was pretty simple, comfort food, but they learned it really had to be adaptable. For instance, they added bananas after one calmed and agitated woman who thought her food was poisoned.
So how well did this simple program actually work? Well, the results were pretty dramatic.
Falls and injuries, which were a huge concern, were cut in half, just like that.
And get this, pressure sores on the unit, they were completely eliminated. We're talking 0.
So the benefits went way beyond just safety. The whole unit became a much calmer place, 24/7.
It just shows sometimes the best care comes from compassion and creativity, not just a prescription.